Afternoon. Are we missing someone? Okay, so my first question is, did you guys do my assignment that I gave you? I need feedback from you. Yes, Peter is not around. I'm not seeing him. I need feedback on the assignment. Let's start with you, Hope. Yes, Hope. Did you work on the assignment? Did you submit it? Hey, Shoya is asking, which assignment, sir? No, biology. Biology assignment. I didn't leave you any assignment for biology. Or you guys forgot? Okay. So the assignment was for you to go through the course, find out which units you would love to cover after we have finished gaseous exchange, and then give me feedback. So did you guys do that? Have you gone through yet the whole course that you're attached to? Have you guys gone through the course? Okay. If you haven't, make sure you go through it, go through those units and tell me what you would love to cover. Let me see if I can share a screen. I am not using my computer, I'm using my phone. The computer is having a lot of problems. I have like so many viruses that attacked me. All my files are now encrypted. I can't access them. There's so many problems, but I'll fix it with time. Probably not today, but I'll try and see what to do. So let me try sharing screen with my phone, show you this unit that I'm talking about and the course. Let me know if you can see my screen. Do you see this course, gaseous exchange? Can you see it? You have to unmute and speak because Hope, can you see it? What I'm sharing in the browser?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the unit that I'm talking about, gaseous exchange. But before that, there is a course. The whole course here. Let me see if I can get it. So the course is here, Senior 3 Biology, and these are some of the units. So we're on the first one, gaseous exchange. Okay, we have tissue respiration in there. We have excretion and osmoregulation. We have homeostasis. We have coordination and control in plants, coordination in animals which concentrates on glands, then sense organs, receptor organs in mammals. And there we look at the eye, we look at the ear, then growth and development in plants, growth and development in animals, locomotion in animals, locomotion in birds, locomotion in fish, locomotion in mammals, locomotion in mammals as far as joints are concerned, then locomotion in mammals as far as muscles are concerned, and then lastly, the appendicular skeleton. Okay. So those are the units that I want you to go through and find out which one you'd love to cover next after gaseous exchange in living organisms. Have you got that? Yes? Okay. So, yes. For now, what I want you to do, I have an activity for you to finalize with gaseous exchange, because we're done with gaseous exchange. But if you go through and you still have problems, just let me know. But we went through all these. So let me first go through the small subtopics here and see what we did. Characteristics of a good respiratory surface is what we started with. We watched a lot of videos about these characteristics. Okay. Gaseous exchange in plants. We looked at all these, the structures, gaseous exchange in simple organisms, surface area to volume ratio and gaseous exchange, respiratory surfaces. And as you go through, please make sure you do these interactive activities too. Those ones you see here, like these small questions, they're good to remind your brain on what you have already read. Ventilation in insects, gaseous exchange in fish. We looked at all these, the sites, the mechanism. Watch that video too. And we explained all these. Gaseous exchange in amphibians, how their skin works, what happens during inhalation and expiration. Then what about when they use lungs? Looked at gaseous exchange in birds. That was very short and precise. Excuse me. Then we looked at gaseous exchange in mammals, which is, we concentrated on man. Looked at the lungs. I think this one we even looked at it more last week. The trachea, what it's made up of, the location of the lungs, the structure of the lungs, the alveoli, the breathing mechanisms, gaseous exchange in the alveoli. Looked at the structure of the alveoli. Then there are some of these experiments. These you can go through on how lungs work and things like that. This is also an experiment, about four or three experiments. And then the last video is just a 2-minute video showing you how different organisms breathe or carry out gaseous exchange. There is an assignment here that you just tap on the download button, and then you do this assignment. Okay, it is not the only assignment that you have. You have another one that I'm going to send. So make sure that you do this one first, because this is very simple. Just go and sign in the on the site. Do this one. This one is very simple. Then the one that I'll send you is the one that is a little bit complex. It's a little bit complex. So you will use a lot of time doing the one I'm going to send in the WhatsApp group. So make sure you check in the WhatsApp group for that assignment too. Can you guys do that? Hope. Have you understood my instructions? Okay. So if you understand what I'm saying, then please go do that assignment, sign in, Shreya, and then do it. I'm going to send another one in the WhatsApp group. I think my computer is back now a little bit. I can send it. And when you're done with the one that is attached on the unit, you start on the one that I'm going to send. It's just questions that you can answer easily after going through the unit to remind yourself. So go through the unit, it will be very easy for you. All these questions that I said, I got them from the unit. So hope if you know you were not here, you had gone off a little bit. There is an assignment attached to the unit, because I want us to complete this unit so that you guys can pick whichever unit you want to cover next. So go to gaseous exchange, like I've been showing you, and then download the attached assignment. Go through the unit, download the attached assignment, do it, submit it. Then also do the one that I'm going to send in the WhatsApp group. Do it and also attach it. Okay, send it to the via message in the site. Just attach it and then send to me. So those are the instructions. Any questions? Okay, Shreya has no questions. What about you, Hope? Do you have any questions about that? Hope, do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
Have you understood my instructions?
Yes, but you're breaking.
Well, what have I said? Okay, first repeat my instruction, then I see what you're missing, then I'll repeat.
Okay, like what I've heard is that we should go to the site, then we go through gaseous exchange, then afterward, like we go through all the notes about gaseous exchange, then down there they
I think you're the one breaking now because I can't hear you.
is an attachment of an assignment, then we do it.
Okay. Yeah, so that's it. Go through the gaseous exchange assignment. I mean, the gaseous exchange unit, do the assignment, submit it. Then I'm going to send another one that you're going to do. Will be the final assignment for gaseous exchange. Do it and also submit it. Those are the two things. The third one is for you to go through the units, all the units in that course, and then tell me what you would love to learn. Okay, or what you would love to cover next after gaseous exchange. That's it. So those are my instructions. Let me send out the activity, then you guys can do it. All right, that's it. Go start with the assignment as I send out this activity. All right, see you. Bye.
Okay, thank you, teacher.